Hello students, hope you are doing fine and well at your homes. So here we are starting from the first chapter, that is the poem One Thing at a Time. So what does the poet says in the poem? So we'll just give it a fast reading and I'll explain one by one. Work while you work. Play while you play. What do we understand by this? That whenever you do some work, then you do only work only. And when you play, then don't do anything else, play only. To be useful and happy, this is the way. All that you do it with your might. Things done by halves are never done right. What does this stanza say? That whatever you do, whatever you work to, anything you do, that whether you play, whether you work, anything, just do it with your might. What is might? Means power of soul, power of heart. Things done by halves. So things done by halves means that something you done at one time and the rest of the things at another time. So it will never done right, because when you left something for the other time, you forgot that what were you doing in that portion, that how were you doing. It doesn't matter. It really matters that what the situation arises. So you have to do all the things at one time only. Complete one task at a particular time. Don't give the task too many halves. One thing at a time, and that done well. It is a very good rule, as many can tell. So what the last answer says, that one thing at a time is done well, and it is a very good rule, as many can tell. As most of them say that it is a very good rule that we can do one thing at a time. And who has written this poem? M.A. Stodehurst. So as soon as we will come to the exercises. What is the poet is trying to teach through the poem? The poet is trying to teach through the poem that we should do one thing at a time, so that it does not get spoiled or ruined. What happens if we try to do too many things at the same time? What happens when we try to do so many things at the same times? The thing done by halves are never done right, because we will get confused that whatever we are doing earlier and what we are doing now. So there is a lot of chaos contains in it. Explain these lines. All that you do it with the might. Means whatever you do it with the power of the soul, power of your heart, so that it is done right. Because things done without might are never successful. They are never succeeded. So come to this exercise. Write rhyming words for each of the following words. Play. Then what will be the rhyming word of this? Way, pay, well, tell, bell, sell, and the rest of the things you can do it on your own. So here comes with the end. Thank you.